Well, hello Sailor Nation. We are so excited to bring back all of our students together to start off the third trimester. What a journey it has been, and it has always been our dream that if it was safe enough and the metrics warranted us all coming back, that we would do it at the start of third trimester. And the stars are aligning and we are ready to come back. We haven't had a first day of school since September 2019. And it's hard to believe that we're going to all be back together at the start of the third trimester. And I will share with you that I know that there's going to be some anxiousness, there's going to be some worries, concerns, and I need to reassure you this. If it was not safe for us to come back, we would not be coming back. We're excited for all of you to finish the school year together. But I have some things I'd like to ask of you. Team Mona Shores has done an incredible job adjusting to the cohort schedule, following the safety protocols. And when we bring everyone back together, we're really going to have to focus and double down on the things that are most important, like wearing our masks appropriately. And we all know that sometimes when we're walking around the hallways, it falls below our nose, but we really have to be focused because our hallways will be with all of our sailors in it. I'm going to ask you to really work on the social distancing when it's possible. So when we're moving in the hallways, that we're walking quickly and that we're not mingling, that we're going right to our next class. These are all sacrifices of washing in and washing out that we've been doing so well, but when we're all together, we really need to focus on it and honor the fact that if we do these things correctly and we keep working on them together, that we're going to finish this school year strong. So we have worked really hard to bring back the things that all of you love to do, whether it's sports or concerts. We're excited about the possibilities of a prom, and we're excited about graduation and honors convocation, actually having a Sailor Pride Assembly outdoors, the whole school in Sailor Stadium. These are all things that we're excited about in spring sports, and could not be more proud of all of you. So I ask all of you, in the final stretch, we can do this together, and the Sailor Strong mentality has been what's gotten us to this point. So thank you everyone for really committing to keeping our building safe and enjoying our last trimester together. Let's finish strong, Sailors. Hello, these are your Sailor Pride safety expectations for the upcoming school year. These expectations align with the Michigan Safe Schools Roadmap and the Muskegon County Return to School Plan, as well as the CDC. We've enacted new cleaning and safety measures to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. We have also created guidelines to help you play a role in contributing to the health and safety of our Sailor community. All right, Sailors, let's talk about our health and medical screenings prior to coming to school. If you have symptoms or have been exposed, stay home. If you've experienced symptoms of COVID-19, such as a new cough, fever, shortness of breath, sore throat, muscle aches, chills, loss of taste or smell, or have been exposed to someone confirmed to the virus, you must stay home. Families are encouraged to contact their healthcare providers. Students and their families are asked to monitor symptoms daily prior to attending school, including a temperature check. Students with a temperature of 100.4 or greater must stay home and consider coronavirus testing. In the event that a symptomatic student or staff is sent home from school, they should be kept home until they have tested negative for COVID-19 or have been released from isolation according to the CDC. Families and staff will be notified of the presence of any confirmed COVID case and will be encouraged to monitor for any symptoms at home. Let's talk about face coverings. Until a vaccine is available, the most effective way to protect yourself and others is to be 100% consistent in wearing a face covering at all times in public spaces. Students and staff will receive a mask upon arrival if they do not have one. Students and staff may wear their own mask. Information on proper use of the face coverings is available on the CDC's website. Social distancing. Please follow these guidelines posted in hallways, parking lots, restrooms, and entryways and exits to maintain social distancing. Leave 6 feet of physical distance between yourself and others wherever possible. When walking in the hallways, please keep to the right side closest to the wall and lockers. Wash in and wash out all of our classrooms and common spaces. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds several times throughout the day. Hand sanitizer dispensers are also in every classroom and common space. Classroom safety. Seating in classrooms has been arranged to facilitate social distancing. Please do not rearrange the furniture. Comply with all posted guidelines on the Sailor campus, classrooms, cafeteria, and common areas. Students will be assigned to a classroom, and within this classroom, students will have their individual desks. Students will be adhering to the 6 feet social distancing recommendations. Students will be responsible for cleaning their own personal desk at the end of each class period with the provided supplies. Let's talk about the use of shareable items. Please refrain from sharing textbooks, papers, pens, study materials, or unpackaged food or beverages with fellow students. Equipment and multi-use items must be cleaned after individual use. Mealtime. Students will be dismissed from their classroom to their assigned lunch area to pick up their pre-packaged meal. While eating meals, masks may be removed while at their personal desks. Students may go off campus for lunch. Reliant Cleaning Services will detail clean daily all learning spaces and common areas. All right, sailors, let's talk about passing time procedures. Students will be dismissed in a staggered manner based on their teacher. Students are asked to travel directly to their next class, staying on the right side of the hallway. Students must wear their mask face covering while in the hallway. Students are asked to remain socially distanced and stay 6 feet apart as they travel. Students are asked to use the restroom along the route to their next class. Restrooms will be restricted to 50% capacity. If the restroom is full, please keep moving to your next class and ask to use a pass during your class period. Wear a mask, stay socially distanced, keep moving.
One change to the passing period procedure is going to be in the math and science wing. This area will be designated as a one-way hallway. Students will exit their classroom and go to the west and follow a counterclockwise pattern around the area. We hope that this will alleviate congestion at the corner and allow our transitions to be as smooth as possible.
Let's talk about arrival procedures to Mona Shores High School. Upon entering the building, students must proceed directly to their first class following all hallway expectations. Students will not be allowed to gather in the hallway. Students who are eating breakfast must do so in the Hanishin Gym cafeteria starting at 7:15 a.m. Students will need to follow all procedures for social distancing in these locations. Unfortunately, we can't meet up with friends and hang out in the hallways.